Hey Lani, it's Colin again, and this is part 2 of the overheard and waitrose task that we'd like you to take care of for us. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to go log into overheard.lighttodiscover.com/wp-admin. Okay, you have got the login details for that already. I've sent them to you. Okay, and you're going to create a new post. Okay, so you're going to come to posts and add new. Okay, now once you've completed task 1, I'm then going to send you back a document, okay, which will have the 6 different comments that I'd like you to include in the post, or 5 or 7 or something like that. So here's what we're going to do, okay. You're then going to add them into the post. Nice and easy. It's just a copy and pasting job. You don't need to do any writing. Okay, but there's a style to it. Okay, so you're going to number them. You put 1 bracket, okay, and then you're going to save it heading 3, okay, and then if it says something like anonymous, please just get rid of it. Okay. My mother to a friend she bumped into. My daughter doesn't eat properly at university, so they're just stocking up on essentials like avocados. I mean, that is brilliantly funny. That's fantastic. Okay, so point number 2. Same thing, heading number 3, so there's a gap in between them. Okay, whack it down, put it back to paragraph, it automatically goes, and just going to copy the next one and put it over, going to paste it in, there we go. So we're just going to go down to the next one, and 3, and so forth until you've done them all. Okay. So let's say that these are all different. I'm just doing this as an illustration for you, Lani. Okay. Okay. Now, sometimes you'll have 6, sometimes you'll have 7, but we're always going to use the same title. Okay. So let's do this, and the title we're going to use is this. I'll just log in here. Okay, just going to copy and paste this over. So, variables that will change, okay, for the title. If there are 7 comments, it's the 7 best comments. If there are 5, it's the 5. If there are 6, the 6 best overheard comments you've sent in today. And then put the day's date for when this is going to be published. Okay, so today's date is the 17th, okay. This is in the UK format of dates. We put the date, the actual date first, then the month, and then the year. Whereas in the States, I know you, which you may have learnt, you put the month, then the day, and then the year. So bearing in mind we're catering to a UK audience, we're putting the day, then the month, then the year. Okay, photos are nice and easy. Okay, you're going to use this particular image, which I have here somewhere. Let me get it. Wait, I'm just going to put it out. Okay. Now this may change, but every time for now you need to find you need to download Snagit, which I think you've already done, and we're just going to edit the photo. So you're going to go get Snagit, or anything that you can add an image to, add text to. So let's go to waitrose. Got to add that in, and what I like about Snagit is it is super easy. I don't do art. I'm not a graphic designer. So you can add this text box here. Okay, select that one, and you're just going to put it here. We're going to add a text box, create a text box. Okay, put it broadly in the middle. And then we're going to put today's date text-wise. So 17th November 2014. Okay, I'm going to change the outline color so it's red of this, so it's nice and highly visible. Okay, and I'm just going to shrink that box so it's not quite so big. Okay, I'm putting it there, just going to move it over. Just going to move it up. There we go, just like that. Move it down to the center so it's nice and positioned in the center. And what this does, it just lets our audience know that it's a new post. It's not something that they've seen before, because they may see this image and think, oh, hang on, I've already clicked on this. So by putting this on, the theory is, putting this date on, the theory is they're going to see it, recognize that it's a new post. So just going to save that up because I will actually use this one later on. Okay, waitrose, November 17. That's cool. We'll come back to that later on. So let's take this statement because we're going to fill in the open graph settings. Come down to here. 6th birthday, got the date in. That's cool. Okay, and then there's another comment that you're going to always copy over as well. These are for the this is for the description setting in the open graph. Going to come down. There are simply too many posts to choose just one, so click here to see our 6 favorite comments sent in by you today. Going to copy that. That goes over every time. And making sure also that it's set to website. So here where it says type, and then we're going to upload the image that we've just saved. Choose the file. Waitrose November 17. Upload it. Full size, insert into post, and choose that as a featured image as well. Sorry, I probably went very quickly there, but set featured image, boom, click on that, put in the image, set featured image, just double check. So we've got our headline, we've got the content of the post with the numbers reflecting the title, so heading 3, and then the actual text should be in paragraph, a space in between each one so it doesn't look too busy. Okay, open graph, so we've just copied over the title. We then have the description, the image, the website, and then we have the featured image there as well, and then you're just going to press publish. Boom, nice and easy. That's that job. Thank you very much for listening, Lonnie. Really, really, really do appreciate it.